Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out near my compost bin. I seriously have forgotten that I had started our compost bin. So we're going to check it today to see if I have any black gold ready to use. So this is my compost bin. I got it. It's a 55-gallon drum. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace, and it cost me all of $15. What I did was brought it home and drilled using my largest drill bit that I have, drilled holes on the side all around and multiple holes in the bottom. And what I have been doing is just taking yard waste and kitchen scraps and leaves, spent plants that aren't diseased, and putting them into the drum. And every so often coming out and flipping it, turning it over, rolling it to make sure everything is mixing properly. Now, as I said in the opening, I forgot that this has actually been here and I haven't done anything with it in a while. So first thing I'm going to do is flip it on its side and roll it, and then take my homemade cover off to see what's going on inside. And hopefully we will have some compost to be used. So here's my compost. Some of it, a large majority of it has broken down, but I don't feel that it's quite ready to be used just yet. So I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to stir it up, mix it around, move it, and we'll put the cover back on it and check back on it in about 2 or 3 months. So here is a up close look of my black gold. And as you can see, some of the eggshells and stuff like that haven't broken down completely, but a lot of the material has broken down. And I may use this, I probably will use this in my U-shaped bed. I have some seeds that I started, some more cabbage seeds and some spinach seeds. And hopefully if the plants germinate, I'll put this mix this into the soil, and we'll see how my homemade compost works. But it's easy to do. All you really need is a container, and take your kitchen waste along with yard scraps, soil. I'm sorry, grass clippings, leaves, stuff like that, and let them break down over time. I used a little bit of water, and this drum gets plenty of sunlight. So as long as you drill the holes in so it doesn't start smelling and draw unwanted attention to it, you can do it too. Okay, this is the U-shaped bed that I was referring to. Recently, I added a lot more soil to it, as you can see, and I still have some leftover compost in the form of horse manure. I added that to it as well. The soil itself was made primarily of peat moss, and I added some more topsoil to it. So the compost that you saw me get will grow a long way in helping to add some nutrients to this particular bed. Where I want to add the cabbage and the spinach is in this particular side of the bed that you're looking at, I guess you can call it the first U, a row of spinach and a row of cabbage. Hopefully, my plans will work out. The bed is not complete yet. It still needs a little bit more soil on the right, but overall, um, compared to where it was, it's come a long way. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I show you my version of black gold. Again, making your own compost seems pretty smart and logical, and financially, it is a boom. If you go and buy black cow, you're going to spend easily anywhere from $7 up to and more $15, depending on the size of the bag that you get. Even if you get the no name brand version of compost, it's still going to cost you some money. So if you can mitigate that by making your own, that's a win for you and a financial savings for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also. You can share the video. Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.